Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable picture in picture on YouTube. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So first of all, you guys must have to know that the picture in picture mode is only available for YouTube premium user. So but I'm gonna tell you the secret or trick to use the picture in picture mode on YouTube. So you guys have to simply head over to settings of your Android phone. So after heading over to your phone settings, here you guys have to just simply go to apps, and after coming to apps, you have to simply search for YouTube. So after searching for YouTube, here you will be able to find an option which is picture to picture mode or full screen mode. So here it is full screen mode. You guys must have to toggle it on. So after toggling it on, you guys have to simply head over, go back to YouTube. So after coming to YouTube, here you guys have to just simply go to the below right corner of your profile icon, and after tapping on that, tap on the top right corner of settings. So in the settings, you guys have to just simply check out that if there is an picture in picture mode is available, but I don't think so it would be available because only available for premium users. So you guys have to simply go back and open up any of the video which you want to play on picture in picture mode. So after playing any of the video, you guys have to just simply open up your previously app history. So how you can fix it, find it, you guys can, every device has its own user interface. So you guys can open up your phone history by just some have the proper button and some have proper option. So I'm just opening by just holding and swiping up. So after that, all of my previously used application are here, background applications are here. So I have to just simply hold on the YouTube. So after holding down, so here I have four options. So I have to just simply select this picture in picture mode, which is right next to here. And every device has its own user interface, so that's why every phone has its own picture in picture mode. So I have to just simply select any other application, and here you guys will be able to see how can we access to picture in picture mode in YouTube, and we can also adjust it by according to our needs. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.